about buying NFTs. It's not about making profits. It's not about just flipping NFTs. So getting into the episode, as you can see on my screen, I early in the morning yesterday at 10 o'clock, I sent this update. Also an update on VCon tickets. Sold 2 of them in last 1 hour and bought one GOO, which is Gary V originally owned, GOO VCon for 3 ETH just now. Now, anything which is tagged with GOO, if you are new to the NFT world, if you are new to this VFriends NFT world, and if you don't know the term GOO, then it is just Gary V's originally owned collection. So when it is a GOO tagged token, it is by default that NFT is more valuable, more rare as compared to the other NFTs in his own collection. So that is the reason why usually the normal VFriends NFTs or VCon NFTs tickets with GOO tag would always be higher priced. So yesterday when I was just doing my own research, I was trying to do some NFT analysis and things like that. I saw that in the activity panel, there are a few things. So if I share this screenshot over here, I was seeing there was some activity just like this, as you can see on my screen. A lot of people were buying VCon tickets, and it was on an average of 1.6 to 1.8 Ethereum. But all of a sudden, I'm seeing 2 or 3 tickets, which were one for 3 Ethereum, one for somewhere around 2.7 Ethereum, and I'm like, why the hell people are paying more over there? So I clicked on that, and that's where I recognized that, okay, fine, these are GOO tickets. So I thought, okay, fine, I have a bunch of VCon tickets. Why not me smartly list 2 of them, sell them at an average cost of 1.7 Ethereum, take the profits of 3.4 Ethereum. Obviously, after cutting 2.5 OpenSea transaction and 5% royalty goes to VFriends collection as well. I mean, VCon tickets collection as well. So after all those things, I got somewhere around 2.9 to 3 Ethereum, and I already had a couple of Ethereum in my wallet. So then I thought, okay, fine, let me do that. And that's exactly what you can see if I just show you the time frame as well. So obviously this screenshot, when I took this screenshot, it was an hour ago I sold one of the VCon tickets. Then within that hour, I also sold another ticket, and if I zoom out, you can see the price point, it was 1.65 and 1.73 Ethereum. So combined, I made somewhere around 3 Ethereum, and that's what I did instantly. As you can see, like in the next 5 minutes, I just bought a VCon ticket with GOO token for GOO tag for 3 Ethereum. So something which I wanted to make you guys understand over here, that it's not about buying NFTs, it's not about making profits, it's not about just flipping NFTs. I always see, as a Gujju businessman, I always see everything as business. I always try to think like how I can make more money, definitely, but at the same point in time, how I can grow myself in the business aspect as well, with business mindset as well. So it's a huge thing. It's a huge shift for a lot of people watching this or consuming this episode somewhere, maybe in the form of podcast or something, that you have to understand it's not just about making profits. When you make profits, the main important thing as a business person, if you want to be a business person, successful business person, then the main thing is your mindset of reinvesting your profits in something which might then again give you exponential more profits in future. You know, so I mean, I made profits of 3 Ethereum straight away, instantly. I just reinvested back 100% of that. In fact, more, because I didn't get exactly 3 Ethereum. I got lesser than that because of the transaction fee and everything. I still reinvested back a little bit more on top of what I made. So that's the mindset which I want to talk.
And now to add to this particular point, like it has been a couple of weeks since I did that particular thing. But today, the floor price of that VCon ticket from almost all these 2 Ethereum, 3 Ethereum to now it is 0.2 Ethereum only. And I don't even regret that. You know why? Because I have reinvested money inside a brand for a long period of time. Now, tomorrow, if I'm just holding VCon ticket, which is of 2022, you never know what kind of things Gary Vee might do in smart contracts for 2023 VCon tickets. So for all these things, you have to understand smart contracts. The projects or the NFTs which you will be holding, which are just based on utilities, and forever they would be enhancing their utilities based on the smart contracts, would give you the maximum benefit. And I'm proud that in India, I'm doing that inside JorrParivar. So if you're still not part of JorrParivar, then check out the link in the description somewhere. Just join, buy NFTs of JorrParivar, and see you around. See you around in Discord, see you around in JorrParivar, see you around in great executions which are going to come in the month of May, June, July, and so on. I love you all. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.
And with that being said, this is your host and host, the Digital Pratik, signing off, a 33-year-old smiling practical dude trying to make sure that you always stay awesome, God bless, and keep smiling. And before you leave, like, comment, subscribe और जो भी सारे YouTube के CTAs है सब कुछ कर डालो. I'll see you tomorrow.